Cirrhosis is a potentially fatal late-stage scarring of the liver. It occurs when a liver disease or condition destroys liver cells, which are then replaced by scar tissue. When enough scar tissue accumulates, the liver can no longer perform its multitude of metabolic functions, and liver failure takes place. You cannot survive for long once your liver fails. Only a liver transplant can save your life. Common causes of cirrhosis include the following: excessive consumption of alcoholic beverages. Whenever your liver processes alcohol, some liver cells die. Normally, the liver can create new cells to replace those that have been destroyed. But excessive alcohol misuse over time reduces the liver's ability to regenerate, and scar tissue grows to the point where the liver no longer works. Hepatitis B and C. Hepatitis means inflammation of the liver. Viral hepatitis, caused by one of several viruses, is the most common type. Hepatitis B and C are the most dangerous. Other types of hepatitis. Hepatitis can also be caused by ingesting certain poisons, chemicals, medicines, or too many nutritional supplements. In such cases, it's known as toxic hepatitis. Another type, known as autoimmune hepatitis, is a chronic condition in which your body's immune system attacks your liver. Fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease is a condition in which dangerous amounts of fat clog your liver and decrease liver efficiency. There are two main types, both of which can lead to cirrhosis. Nonalcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD, which occurs in people who drink little or no alcohol. Alcoholic fatty liver disease, also called alcoholic steatohepatitis. Liver cancer. While liver cancer itself is not considered a cause of cirrhosis, it should be noted that most, but not all, people who develop liver cancer already have some evidence of cirrhosis. Therefore, people with cirrhosis have an increased risk of liver cancer. Two other frequent causes of cirrhosis are obesity and diabetes. Obesity. Being overweight or obese causes fat to accumulate in the liver, resulting in fatty liver disease, which has been previously mentioned. Type 2 diabetes. Having type 2 diabetes increases your chances of having a more severe form of fatty liver disease known as nonalcoholic steatohepatitis, or NASH. When you have NASH, liver fat triggers the harmful inflammation that results in cirrhosis. To learn more about how you get cirrhosis, click on the links in the description section for this video.